I am making my diner-style patty melts, like a grilled cheese, married a burger, and created a wondrous new experience. To make my patties, I've got 10 ounces of ground beef. I'll season it with 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce and about 3/4 of a teaspoon of kosher salt. I'll give this a quick mix, and then I'll divide it into 2 and form patties that are a little bit bigger than my bread, because when the patties cook, they'll shrink down. Okay. I'll wash my hands and then grab my veggies. I've got an onion and a bell pepper. These will add nice crunch and a little sweetness and some pretty color to the sandwiches. I'll slice up half of each. All right, I've got my griddle heating up here. I'll get some butter on. That's that diner sizzle. Got my veggies on and let them cook. Get nice and soft and develop a little color too. Oh, it's starting to smell great in here already. I'll season these with salt. These will go for just a few minutes to develop some nice color. These look great. I'll just push them to the back of the griddle and keep them warm. All right, let me grab my patties. Before I get these on, I'll season them with salt and pepper. Get that nice crust. That is the sound you want to hear. I'll season the other side. I'll let these cook for a few minutes on each side and develop some color while I make my caraway mayo. I'll start with a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, about 4 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, and then as a nod to patty melts in New York, I'm gonna add a little bit of caraway. It'll make me think I'm eating these on rye with the texture of Texas toast. You really can have it all sometimes. And a little salt and pepper. And I'll mix it on up. All right. Okay, let me flip these. I'll add some good color. I'll let these go on the other side for a few minutes and grab my cheese and bread. I've got Swiss and American cheese for 2 kinds of cheesy gooiness, and thick garlic butter Texas toast, because no bad sandwich was ever built on thick garlic butter Texas toast. I want to toast the inside of the sandwich just to give it more structural integrity. I'll let these toast and soak up some of that meaty juiciness too for even more flavor. All right, these are toasted on one side. I'll get them off the grill, place them face up because the toasted side is going to become the inside of the sandwich. All right, to assemble, all of these slices need sauce, and it's gotta completely cover the slice of bread so that each bite gets a little love. Next, a slice of cheese. We'll start with the Swiss for that hint of funkiness. Now the meat. Oh, look how perfectly it fits on the bread. Wow, we anticipated this well. Go team. Now some veggies. Now my American cheese, which is gonna melt and glue the veggies on. Sandwich these together, give it a smash. I can feel the love already. And the last step is to just grill them on both sides so the bread can get toasty and the cheese can melt. I'm getting so excited. These are ready to flip. Oh, that's perfect golden crispiness on the outside.